Hi everyone. Welcome. Today, we're tackling a frustrating issue that many Mac users face when trying to install Windows using Apple's Bootcamp Assistant. You're all set to get Windows running, but then you hit a wall. An error message pops up saying, Bootcamp could not update computer's boot configuration. This can stop your installation dead in its tracks. Don't worry, you're not alone, and we're going to walk through why this happens and how you can fix it. First, let's understand what Bootcamp does. It's Apple's tool that helps you install Microsoft Windows on your Intel-based Mac. It creates a special partition on your hard drive for Windows and helps you download the necessary drivers. The could not update computer's boot configuration error means that Bootcamp couldn't make the critical changes needed for your Mac to recognize and start up Windows. Think of it like a roadmap for your computer. Bootcamp couldn't properly draw the new route to Windows. There are several common reasons for this error. Often, it's related to your Mac's storage drive. Your disk might have errors, or there might not be enough free space. Sometimes, previous failed Windows installations leave behind messy partitions that confuse Bootcamp. System Integrity Protection, or SIP, a security feature in macOS, can also sometimes interfere with Bootcamp's deep system changes. Less often, an outdated macOS version or conflicting external devices can be the culprit. So, how do we fix it? Let's go through some steps. First, open Disk Utility, which you can find in your Applications/Utilities folder. Select your main macOS drive and click First Aid. Let it run to check for and repair any disk errors. This is a crucial first step. Also, ensure you have plenty of free space, at least 64 GB, but 128 GB or more is highly recommended for Windows. Next, try resetting your Mac's NVRAM or PRAM. Shut down your Mac, then turn it on and immediately press and hold Option, Command, P, and R keys together. Keep holding them until your Mac restarts and you hear the startup chime a second time. This can clear up boot-related issues. Another common solution involves System Integrity Protection, SIP. You might need to temporarily disable it. To do this, restart your Mac and immediately hold down Command+R to enter macOS recovery mode. Once there, go to Utilities in the menu bar and select Terminal. In the Terminal window, type xrtl disable and press Enter. Then restart your Mac normally and try Bootcamp Assistant again. Remember, it's very important to re-enable SIP after your Windows installation is successful. Just repeat the steps, but type xrtl enable in Terminal instead. If you've tried installing Windows before and it failed, you might have a leftover Bootcamp partition. Open Disk Utility again and look for any partitions named Bootcamp or Windows. Delete them to ensure a clean slate. Sometimes, the USB drive you're using for the Windows installer can be faulty. Try using a different USB drive. Make sure your macOS is fully updated to the latest version compatible with your Mac. Go to System Settings or System Preferences and check for software updates. Lastly, disconnect all external devices, hard drives, USB hubs, printers, anything not essential, before running Bootcamp Assistant. These can sometimes cause conflicts. If all else fails, a complete reinstall of macOS can sometimes resolve deeper system issues, but this is a last resort and requires backing up all your data first. Thank you so much for watching and for sticking with me through these troubleshooting steps. I hope this helps you get Windows up and running on your Mac. If this video was helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing for more tech tips and solutions. Your support helps this channel grow, and I really appreciate it. See you next time.